Hi everyone and welcome back to Crafts with Mike with me, your host Mike. Yes, my name's Mike. But today we've got something rather special and we've got a letter to Santa. Apparently the works have got a vast range of crafty products for the for the Christmas season. Alexa, clear my notification.
Okay, deleted your notifications.
Sorry about that, I was interrupted by a notification there. So the works have got a vast amount of Christmas ranges, and here we've got a letter to Santa for £1, so I thought I'd get it. It's a nice little crafty thing, and yeah, we'll see what we've got inside. Obviously I can see that we've got a letter. I think that's probably an envelope. We've got a pencil with a rubber on it, and then obviously some Christmas stickers down here, which look really nice actually. And yeah, so again, a nice Christmas stocking filler or Christmas gift. So yeah, let's see what we got. And yeah, so okay, so I think that's the cellophane off now. I'm just going to make a slight incision. Okay, let's see what we got. Can't be, look, I must have opened that like the most stupidest of ways. But let's take all this cellophane out. Let's see what, oh, we've got a bookmark. That's one of them things that you get in hotels. So hang on a minute, we've got a battery warning come up. There we go. And yeah, that's one of them things that you get in hotels. So what we've got here is, oh wow, Santa Claus, Santa Scotto, North Pole and Lapland. Santa Scotto, December 25th, North Pole, first class there, with an envelope. That's really interesting. I wonder if you actually posted that, would it actually get to the North Pole? Do you reckon it would? Should we do a dummy test? Then you've got a thank you note. Okay, yeah. And, oh yeah, these, oh look at that, a penguin. And then you've got Santa Scotto, December 25th, North Pole. And we've also got ourselves some stickers. So, yeah. We've got Santa, please stop here. So, obviously, you could hang that on your door. Because normally in hotels, you'll get things that say housekeeping or do not disturb. And you hang it on your door. So we've got that, and we've got ourselves a pencil with a rubber on it, as you can see. And I very rarely use pencils nowadays. When I worked on the Marvel How to Draw the Marvel Way collection through Hachette Partworks, I used to work on pencils then. But we've got Dear Santa and then Santa Scotto, December 25th, North Pole. I'm just going to grab my phone charger because it's flagging up a warning here, so let me just get that. Okay, let's put that in here, and we'll put that in there. Come on. Okay, I think that's good. Lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna see first of all if I've got any. I don't think I've got a sharpener, but that's all waxes and glue. Okay, I don't think I've got one. I have a lot of pencil cases, but let's see if I've got one. No, I haven't. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, not a problem. We will, oh, what is that? I wonder if that's off a screwdriver. Okay, I wonder, well actually we can use this one. Oh, look at that. That's been split. We'll use this one here in exchange, because what I can do is I can put that one, take that rubber off. These have got rubber on it anyway, but it's pretty nice rubber actually. So we'll whack that on the top of here. Put that into there, into my Colchester Zoo. I did used to go to Colchester Zoo. And we'll start the letter. So this is obviously a letter to Santa Claus. So in here I'm going to put Dear Santa, for Christmas This is just like a, you know, a tutorial. For Christmas, I would like these. Actually, that's got to give the rubber a go. Oh my god, this goes back donkey's years. Last time I used a rubber was in my maths class. God blimey, talk about old-fashioned. Because there's these pens that you can get that erase as well. I would like these, please. 10 packs of, yes. 10 packs of Rington's Crest biscuits. Ten packs of Crest Rington's biscuits. Robocop. Cop build from Fan Home when it launches. Five packs of Battenberg cake. New violin, because I absolutely love violins. New guitar. Galaxy chocolate. iPhone 12/XR, because I do quite like them phones, but they're like 600 quid. What else? Lynx. Lynx Africa and 007 aftershave. Okay. Oh, actually, from Mike. It's a shame to use rubbers, but you can't just sit about all day. It's waiting to be used, you know. Okay, so I put, dear Santa, for Christmas I would like these, please. 10 packs of Rington's Crest biscuits. Robocop build from Fan Home when it launches. 5 packs of Battenberg cake. New violin, new guitar, Galaxy chocolate, iPhone 12/XR, Lynx Africa, 007 aftershave, and that is that. So then what we will do with this is we would put it into Santa's list. And also what you can do here, guys, is these are quite good for family members. Like if you want to give them a list of things that you want, or if you want to give them a list of, you know, yeah, gifts of what you want, gift your family members and stuff. And then obviously that would go into here, like so. I feel like playing a joke on Royal Mail. I feel like posting this and just seeing if it actually gets to the Lapland, the North Pole. I mean, I don't know if it's a real place, but you never know, Santa might write back to you. But I do feel like putting it in the letterbox. I mean, it says that it's got £1 on there, but we know that that's fake, so you would have to put a stamp on it. So we put that in there, and then give it a good old lick. Seal the envelope. I don't like the lick ones. I like to peel off the adhesive. So we'll put that on there. And then what I like to do is when I'm writing letters to people, I like to put a sticker on the back with my returns address on it. But also I use them as a stamp sealer. So for example, this one here's got Merry Christmas. So this feels really weird doing this at the end of September, but I've got to start getting the filming done because it's hard work doing 4 channels. So Merry Christmas there, so obviously when they read that on the back, that's a nice sentiment. And then Santa Claus, Santa's Grotto, North Post, Lapland. So on here, I'm going to just decorate it a bit. I'm going to put snowman. And yeah, put that one. So just putting them stickers on it makes it a nice sentiment or embellishment, if you like. And then I'll put a couple of presents, perhaps there, so that one. And then I think I'll put a stocking round about. That doesn't look right. Probably about there. And then I'll put Christmas greetings up at the top, like that. Okay. So, and I'm going to put a sneaky little robin in there. Put a robin there. And perhaps a little tree there. Now it's up to you, you don't have to decorate it, but it just, you know, gives it a nice little sentiment. So we've got that. The Santa Please Stop Here thing. We've also got another note now that we're going to do. First things I'm going to do on this one is I'm just going to use up the remainder of the stickers. Put the penguin over there. We need to leave room for that part there. Just decorate it a bit. Oops. Not quite sure why you would have a arrow. I mean, that looks like an arrow, but if you turn it up like that, it's like a tree. But that uses all the stickers apart from this one, which looks like some sort of cactus. So put that cactus there, so that's that. And then obviously on this one, we've got a thank you. So we can put things like, Dear Santa, thank you for the gifts and hope you enjoyed your mince pie and milk. I never know if it's the reindeer that eats the milk, sorry, the pie or the milk, or Santa eats milk and the pie, because traditionally people will leave out a pint of milk and a mince pie so that Santa is supposed to come down the chimney while you're sleeping and then eats it and leaves the presents. So yeah, your mince pie and milk. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your return back to the North Pole. Okay, so we put thank you, dear Santa, thank you for the gifts and hope you enjoyed your mince pie and milk. Enjoy your return back to the North Pole, Mike. Okay, lovely. So then we would fold that up and then we would put that into here. But also what you can do is you don't necessarily have to use the thank you note. You can also, you know, send it to your friend and decorate it for your friend. I'm not going to lick it this time because I don't like licking, but I've just realised I've used the stickers, so I will have to lick it on this occasion. But I don't like doing that because you don't know who's touched it in the factory, and yeah, I like to use a seal. But yeah, as you can see, and then on here we will put, see what pen I've got. I did want a colour one like that, but I ain't got the blue one. So, I've got a purple. Have to use the plain old boring black. My friend was like that. My friend said, because I got this Harry Potter pen, and he was like, it's probably another biro, but obviously something else he said, but I won't be able to say it on here because obviously this is made for kids, so I have to be careful in what I say and stuff like that. But anyway, so we'll put Santa Claus. No, actually, we'll put Miss Claus this time. So Miss Claus, because obviously we know Miss Claus, Santa Claus. Santa's Grotto, apparently. Miss Claus or Santa Claus, whatever. Santa's Grotto. And then North Pole. And then Lapland. It's more like a sand. My writing's terrible. I do apologise. That's due to my relative that writes like that. So yeah. So Miss Claus, Santa Claus, Santa's Grotto, North Pole, Lapland. And yeah, it just makes a lovely little sentiment. I think out of the two, I definitely like this one. It's got that lovely, it's so much colour on it. And obviously, remember that when you go to sleep on Christmas Eve, do put this on your door handle so that Santa knows where to leave your presents in your stocking. As a kid, I would also, on Christmas Eve, we would always leave like a sack. And what that is like a stocking sack, so that when you wake up in the morning, you've got presents in your sack, which is really, really, really good. So yeah, but obviously, as I said, this is for demonstration purposes only. You cannot send this in the post, even though it's got a letter, a stamp on it. This is for demonstration purposes. But yeah, so please remember to like, share and subscribe. I'll put the link in the description of where you can get this on the video. However, and I must stress this very, very much, at the time of recording this, this is the 29th of September. So I will still put the link there, but be prepared that things could go out of stock prior to you seeing this video. So when you see this video on the 2nd of December, it may be that these have gone out of stock, but all I can advise is just keep checking the website. Obviously, this is a Christmas thing, so they're not going to be selling Christmas stuff in the middle of, you know, next year. So yeah, you just have to be quick with the works. They do sell out pretty fast on pretty much everything. But yeah, so please remember to like, share and subscribe. I've really had fun doing that. Please tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I'll do, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.